Hello YouTubers, how are you today? Have this ever happened to you? Have you ever attempted to put a tire together and you couldn't put the tire back together, and no matter how hard you tried, you couldn't get air in the tire? My dog won't move, okay. Well, have this happened to you? It won't inflate. I put some sealer in there and it still won't inflate. Here's a trick you can do. Okay. Hopefully this will work. I'll jack it up just a tad bit and I'll take a piece of string or rope and I'll put it around the tire. Now, for the most part, when you're dealing with alright, I'll just take the string and I'll tie a knot in it. Or you can use rope, whichever one you have. I just so happen to have a piece of string and a rope. Doesn't really matter. I think this is probably about probably about 3 foot, but you really don't need a piece that long. So what I'll do, I'll bring the piece of rope right here like so around the center of the tie. I take it through and I just pull it tight. Now, what you may want to do, I just got a piece of railroad tie, stake. You can use anything to twist. Now, I stuck it through there and I put it through, and what you'll see, I'm going to wind it and get the tire. You will see the tire turn. Notice the tire is starting to indent, and I'll just keep turning until I get it to a comfortable spot. Okay, that will seal my tire. Okay, let's try this and let's give it a try. I'm trying to do this with one hand to hold the air compressor on. There it goes. And it actually popped my string, but that's okay. But I've achieved what I want to achieve. Bingo. Okay, so you may have to play with it just a little bit. Bingo. Job well done.